To update a review on Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account and navigating to the Reviews section. You can do this by clicking on the U tab and selecting Purchases and Reviews from the drop-down menu. In the Reviews section, find the review you want to update and click on the Edit Review button next to it. This will take you to a page where you can modify your review. Make any necessary changes to the review, including the rating and any text you want to add or remove. When updating your review, consider including specific details about the item you purchased, such as its quality and how it met your expectations. You can also mention any customer service interactions you had with the seller, including how they responded to any issues you encountered. After making your changes, click the Save Changes button to update your review. Your updated review will be visible to other Etsy users, and it will help them make informed purchasing decisions. It is also a good idea to keep your reviews concise and professional, as this will help to build trust with other users and with sellers. It is worth noting that you can only edit a review within a certain timeframe after it was originally posted. If you are unable to edit your review, you may need to contact Etsy support for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can update your reviews on Etsy and contribute to a helpful and accurate community of users.